Okay, good morning. This is what I woke up to this morning with the thunder and lightning and a rain just coming right in off of the Arabian Sea, right on into the hotel area here on the beach at Juhu Beach. Look at the wind blowing that rain sideways. That's the pool area below us there, see? So it looks like the monsoon season has definitely come into full swing finally, and it should be an interesting commute this morning for sure. So we'll see what happens. That noise you're hearing is the wind coming into the window here. In my room. Yeah, wow.